Daily aftercare for your piercings. Wash hands thoroughly with soap before touching or cleaning your piercing. Clean your piercing morning and night for the recommended healing period. Spray a cotton tip with the Punktured saline solution. Clean around the entrance and exit site using 2 cotton tips simultaneously for cartilage piercings. Avoid sleeping on the area around the piercing where possible for the recommended healing period. Avoid swimming in open bodies of water such as oceans, rivers, lakes, and chlorinated water. Avoid using abrasive products such as hydrogen peroxide, harsh soaps, alcohol-based products, and tea tree oil, as they can irritate your new piercing. Avoid drugs and alcohol. For more information and tutorials, head to punktured.com.au.